Third. Fourth. Fifth. First. Second.
Don started.
Third.
Don driving.
Fourth.
Only 9 seconds between first and third. Bill Huff a second and a half behind Bobby Baker. Bobby with a 11.5.10, 11.5.16 from Bill. Brent with a 10.5.15, 10.5.20 from Dose, and Don Hillard with a 10.5.30.
Second. Fifth.
2 minutes, 45 seconds left in this heat.
Fourth.
Next heat will be Cupcakes, T-Spot, Ray, Mitchell, Jeremy, Ray, and Cheeseburger.
Second. Fifth.
Less than 2.5 minutes left in this race. Bill Huff with fast lap so far for 27.5. Followed up by Bobby Baker's 27.8.
Second. Fourth.
Bobby holding the lead by 2.3 seconds over Bill. Brent with an 11.5.29. Don with a 10.5.17. 10.5.21 for Deuce.
Third. Fifth. First. Fourth.
Don Hillard coming across from this fast lap of 28 flat. Fast lap for the race so far is Bill Huff with his 27.5. 2 minutes, 10 seconds left in, or excuse me, 1 minute and 10 seconds left in this race.
Third. First. Fourth. Second.
But there you go. Whoa, Don goes into the pit there.
Third. First. Fifth. Fourth. Second.
Coming down to the final 20 seconds to the tone. E-Buggy's up next. 10 seconds to the tone.
Third. First.
There's the tone. Keep rolling till I call out your name.
Second. Fifth. Fourth. Third. First, Bobby Baker runs.
Bobby, you are